Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this beach umbrella system that I got on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about this umbrella system, including the one important thing I think everyone should know before buying. So in this kit, you're gonna be getting a big umbrella, a sand shovel. You also get this anchor, which is the one that you're gonna use the base. So you're gonna hook the base into this little hook right here. You get also an umbrella hook, which is pretty nice, an oversized bag, and they also give you this tool right here, which is for you to make a hole in the sand so you can place your umbrella. So we've used this a few times now, and it's so helpful to have something like this around, especially when you're going to the pool. It doesn't take too much space. You have the bag right here, which is not super huge, and you can put all of these accessories into this bag, which is also very convenient. The umbrella is 7.5 feet large, so it gives you plenty of shade. It actually gives you a decent amount of shade. The quality of the fabric of the umbrella is also very, very nice. This is waterproof and it's going to protect you from the sun. It has 50 plus UPF. The setup is so easy. You just have to hook this into the umbrella pole, and then you're gonna make the hole in the sand using this tool right here, which is pretty easy to use. Then you're going to put this pole inside of the hole. Once you're done with that, and you can see the line right here showing you that you have to insert this. So that's how deep you have to make the hole. So once you're done with that, that's when you're you're gonna have this little tool right here attached to the pole, and then you're gonna use this little guy right here, which is the base. Okay, you're gonna add this inside of the pole of the umbrella, and you're gonna fill this with sand. So you're gonna have these little holes right here in each side where you're gonna place inside of this little guy right here. So it's very, and this is just gonna give you an extra weight to hold your umbrella down in very windy places. So if you're going to a beach that it's very windy, you know for sure that your umbrella is going to stay in place. I've never seen anything like this before. We had issues with the other umbrella that we have flying away or just falling because of the wind, and we haven't had any problems using this with this base because it gives you the extra weight to keep your umbrella in place. So it's so nice to have something like this around, especially if you go to the beach all the time. I think this is definitely worth the money to just have around. Now, the one important thing I think you guys should know before buying this umbrella system is that when you're installing it, it's a little bit hard to do it by yourself. You might need help to set this all up. It will be a lot faster if you have someone to help you. You can do it by yourself, but it might take you a little while because you have to make the hole in the sand and then set everything up by yourself. But you can definitely do it. It will take you a little bit of time. It's very easy to set up, but having someone to help you will make things so much easier. But yeah, overall, this is a great umbrella system. Like I said, I haven't seen anything like this before, and it's very useful to have that little weight bag there. It makes a big difference.